This is Ian. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Cyber Monday discount for Amazon seller accounts. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it, follow me. Let's get started. This is the Prime exclusive discounts page. This is where you set up Cyber Monday discounts for 2023. And what you need to do to get to this page, click on the menu icon, then you click on advertising, then you click on Prime exclusive discounts. If you don't see this page or you don't see a button that says create discount, that is a limitation of your account, or there's some other issue with the products that you want to sell, and you'll need to file a case with seller support to figure that out. But if assuming you do see this button here, you're good to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the button create discount, and I'll come to this page. And when I've done videos like this before, I've kind of explained the rules for creating Prime exclusive discounts, including Cyber Monday discounts. I suggest that you read them again just to familiar yourself with them, because if you violate any of these regulations that they have, your Prime exclusive discount will just be rejected. And there's in most cases you may not be able to do anything about it, especially like it needs to meet a 3.5 star rating. The discount level needs to be at least 20%. So you have to really meet all of these requirements here. So familiar yourself with that. You can enter the name of the discount, and what I usually do is I just include the name of the product and also the fact that it's Cyber Monday. So I'll say Cyber Monday 2023, and then the name of the product. Our nickname for it is Maroon Bar. It's only a single product. I'm not doing multiple products, but you can do that if you want. And then I'm going to select this button that says, is this a Cyber Monday discount? Now, one thing you need to understand about Cyber Monday 2023 on Amazon, it's not just Monday. It's actually 3 days long. It starts on Saturday morning, very early in the morning, right after Black Friday ends, and then it ends at the end of the day on Monday at 11:59 p.m. So make sure you have enough inventory available, and then click Save and Add Products. Okay, add product details for Cyber Monday 2023 Maroon Bar. Okay, so it needs the SKU. I already have my restock inventory page open. I can just grab the SKU from that. You could also go to the Amazon product page and get it there. So here it is. Here's the SKU. Note that I have 90 units in stock. It says right now, this is about a month before Cyber Monday, there's 68 days of supply. I might actually run out, so I'm going to contact my supplier to see if they can get a couple extra cartons into Amazon for that. And obviously, I'm a pretty small seller. I'm not selling like thousands of units, but for me, this is a medium amount of stock, and that should be able to last through the end of Cyber Monday. So I'm going to paste in my SKU, and you can either do amount off or percentage off. So I'm going to do percentage off. This particular product, it costs where is it? $24.99. So the minimum for a Cyber Monday discount is 20%. So 20% of $24.99 is basically almost $5. So what I could do is I could just take off $5, or I could just take off 20%. Now I'm going to do percent on purpose because there's one important thing I want to show you. If you take 20% off $24.99, it's actually $19.99. It's not $20 even, but you cannot type $19.99 in here. If you do, you'll see a red line around it. And the reason is because this tool that Amazon designed for sellers, I don't know if they even talked with any sellers, but it looks like it was designed by an engineering or a finance person. And, they just wanted to basically make it work for their simple little tool, but it actually doesn't work for a lot of sellers, because a lot of sellers, including myself, we might have $19.99 or $19.49. I can't do that. So what I have to do is I have to either if I try to raise it to 20 and I add it, the problem is that it's actually not going to be 20% off. It's going to be like 19.999% off. So what I need to do is I have to set the minimum price to $19. That's just Amazon's quirky little system. But basically, the minimum price has to be more than the 20% discount or exactly equal to it. If there's any difference between them, this Cyber Monday discount on Amazon will be rejected. So I'm going to click Submit Products, and then I'll get a confirmation message. The confirmation message just says, yes, you've submitted it, but they may find something later on. And indeed, I recommend after every single Cyber Monday discount that you enter on Amazon Seller Central, check the Prime Deals and Discount page later, because if there's a problem, like this one here needs attention, it'll say suppressed, that means the discount will not show on those days. Amazon will not promote this for you. So you have to fix that if there's a problem. So just come back and check this to make sure everything's okay. But that's how you create a Cyber Monday discount for your Amazon FBA or Amazon FBM goods. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. If you go to leemedia.org, that's my official website. Click on blog or video, tons more free advice about selling on Amazon. Thanks so much for watching.